Hey my lovely people, welcome to Lily Job Updates channel. If you're a first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today in this video, I'm going to show you about AWS, Azure, Cloud, DevOps, fresher job openings for you guys. If you're a fresher having complete 0 years of experience or if you don't have any skills, okay, if you have learned just AWS or DevOps or in Linux or Azure, not a problem. We can blindly apply to the job openings which I'm going to show you now. And moreover, if you're looking for any internship opportunities or the job complete full-time job opportunities in these domains, you can apply. And you may be from the any degree, guys. You may be from the BTech, ME, MTech, or you may be from the BCom, MCom diploma, or you may be from the BCA, MCA, or electronics, any degrees, any branches, and moreover, you may be from the any batches like 2023, 2024, or you may be from the 2022, 2019 can also apply, not a problem. If you are having career gaps, not problem, but you just need to learn the skills and need to give the strong reason for the career gap students. Okay, so and one more thing is you may be switching your career from the non-IT to the IT, or you may be from the IT domains, but you may be from the different domains like Java, full stack, or you may be from the like you may be from databases and everything. You can, if you want to switch your career into these domains, you can apply. Okay, so without wasting much time, we'll directly get into the job openings. Here the first job opening comes from the company Cloud Seed. Okay, this company name is Cloud Seed and they are hiring for the position of cloud engineering. Okay, look at this, the position name is cloud engineering. The job title is junior cloud engineer. Here this is a full-time job opportunity. Okay, here they haven't mentioned the salary. We will be directly reading about the job skills and everything. I'm not going to read about the responsibilities. Okay, so directly we'll look at the requirement section. Bachelor or a master's degree in computer science, information technology or related field. See, if you have completed a degree in the computer science, IT or in any related field, not a problem. You can apply. Strong technical skills and experience in cloud computing technologies. Here you should be having a technical skills. That too mainly in the cloud computing. Okay, here they have mentioned that experience with cloud providers such as AWS, Azure, GCP. Here you should have hands-on experience. Remember, this is junior position, so you need hands-on experience. If you have internship experience, or if you have done some projects, or if you have worked on some companies, not a problem. You can apply. Okay, that the cloud is they have mentioned is AWS, Azure, GCP. It may be any cloud. Okay, public clouds. These are familiarity with programming languages such as Python, Java, Ruby. If you have at least if you have knowledge, okay, how to code, how to write the coding, you can apply. Here they have mentioned the programming language as a Python, Ruby, Java. It may be anyone. Knowledge of cloud infrastructure, virtualization, network security. Okay, you should be having knowledge on the cloud infrastructure. How to create the cloud infrastructure. You should know how to work, what is virtualization and how the virtualization is going to work. And you should also have the knowledge on the network securities also. And here they also mentioned that you should have the excellent problem solving skills as well as you should be able to work fast paced environment. Okay, so this was the here they have mentioned what they're expecting from you. So while applying to the openings, please mention this. Okay, you should have the skills. Otherwise, please don't apply. I'm telling you, there are so many opportunities. Please watch this video till the end. Okay, you're going to get a complete idea. If you have the skills, apply to this job openings. If you don't have, not a problem. Okay, if you want to apply to the job openings, just click on this apply now section and you can apply to the job openings. So this was the first job opening for you guys. Now we'll directly get into the second one. Here, before going to the second one, I'm going to tell you one more important thing. This is very important. See, this is the first part of the video today I'm going to upload. The second part of the video also will be uploading today only. So I'm requesting everyone, please watch the both videos, because in that video also I have tried to cover some more 5+ job openings. In this video also I have covered 5+ job openings. So total 10 job opportunities for you guys. So please utilize this. I'm requesting everyone, please watch the both videos. This is completely the part 1 video. The part 2 video is going to upload in few minutes. Okay. Now we'll directly get into the second one. Gremio, the company name Gremio Technologies. Okay, so here as you can see here, they have mainly hiring for the position of DevOps intern fresher. This is completely for the fresher, guys. Telling you, completely fresher. Here they mentioned the job role, everything they have mentioned. If you look at the requirement section, here they have mentioned, look at this. You have an understanding of Docker and Kubernetes ecosystems. You should be knowing what is Docker and what is Kubernetes, and also you should know about the DevOps tools and technologies. Very, very mandatory for this position, guys. You have a knowledge of firewalls, VPN, routing, switching, load balancing, security, DNS. Here they have clearly mentioned that you should be having knowledge on the mainly like networking, guys. Networking and security, this you should be knowing. If you have learned networking and security, everything will be covered like this. Okay, so you should mention this firewall, VPN, routing, switching in your resume while applying. We can configure and monitor data centers infrastructure, load balancer, firewall switches, instances, etc. Here they also mentioned that you should also know how to configure and monitor the data centers. Okay, and you can work on some tools like Ansible, Chef, Puppet. You should have knowledge on the Ansible or a Chef or a Puppet. Okay, you can manage infrastructure on AWS, GCP, Azure. Here you should be ready to work in any one cloud. It may be AWS, Azure, GCP. It's your choice. You have deployed an application on AWS Marketplace. So remember this point. One more thing I'm telling you, please, while applying to the job openings, mention a project which you have deployed in a AWS cloud. Okay, that is going to help you for the shortlisting of resume. So how we need to apply for this job opening is just click on this apply now section and you can apply to the job openings. Okay. So this was the second job opportunity for you guys. Now we'll directly get to the third one. The third one is from the LinkedIn. Okay, as you can see, I've already opened the LinkedIn, and here there is one person. His name is Siddhi Garg. Okay, he is mainly from the company called Git Solutions. He is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer at his company. Look at this. He has clearly mentioned, and the requirements which he is expecting from you is he is mainly mentioned that he is looking for the person who is very good at scripting languages. It may be the Python or Bash. Okay, so DevOps engineer, you must learn this scripting. That is very important. Without that, you cannot get a job. Familiarity with CI/CD pipelines and tools such as Jenkins, Kubernetes. You should be knowing the CI/CD as well as the Jenkins. And here they have mentioned that knowledge of DevOps tools, open source technologies, and cloud services. Here they have clearly mentioned that you should having the knowledge of the like DevOps tools and technologies, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Maven, everything you should have. And moreover, you should have the knowledge on the cloud providers also. Hands-on experience, preferably with host and cloud infrastructure, most notably AWS. Here they have clearly mentioned that you should be good at AWS cloud. Okay, look at this. Working knowledge of following AWS services: VPC, Route 53, EC2, S3, CloudWatch, IAM, CloudFormation, RDS. See, these are very mandatory, guys. I'm telling you, please mention the services in your resume. Highlight this. Okay, highlight this. That is also very important. And skills here they have mentioned is Bachelor in Computer Science Applications Engineering, any relevant field. See, here you should have at least a degree. It may be in any degree, not a problem. And 0 to 2 years of experience in DevOps. You should, if you are a fresher, not a problem. If you are having at least 1 year, 2 years of experience, also not a problem. You can apply. Quick learner and adaptable new technologies. Here you should be very fast to learn the things. Freshers can apply. Remember this point. Freshers can apply. Preferred candidates are from North region. If you are from mainly from the North India, guys, you are highly preferred. Candidate must be graduated in 2021 or before. See, if you have completed a degree in the year 2021, 2019, you can apply. Not a problem. Male candidates are highly preferred. Here they have clearly given. And how you need to apply for this? Your resume is siddhigarg@gtn.com. This is his email ID. So you need to send your resume. Okay. So this is the third job opportunity for you guys. Now, before one more important thing is, see, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, because what I'm saying is from past few days, I'm telling everyone that, see, look at the statistics. Only 68%, only 32% of the candidates are subscribed to my channel. Remaining 68% haven't subscribed to my channel. Requesting everyone, please subscribe and support me, guys. Okay, because I'm bringing everyday job openings for you. So please try to understand this. And the next one, okay, here the next one comes from here. It's also from the LinkedIn. In LinkedIn, there is one company called CodCard. Okay, as you can see here, I have already opened the LinkedIn, their web page also. Look at this. This CodCard company is hiring mainly for the DevOps engineer. The location is Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Okay, if you're from the northern states of India, I'm telling you, if you're from the northern states of India, you can apply. Here they have given the position name and the qualification. Look at the qualification is Git, Docker, GitHub Actions, and bachelor degree. Here, if you know just so if you just know about the Git and Docker and GitHub Actions, we can apply. They haven't asked about Docker, Kubernetes, anything they haven't asked. If you just know about Git and Docker and GitHub Actions, if you have just degree with you can apply. And here they have mentioned the hiring process also. HR screening will be there. You'll be sent an online assessment test link. So you need to clear this. Once after clearing, you will be having technical round. And the last one is HR round, and you are going to get an offer letter. So you need to send your resume to this. Here, look at this, careers@thecodecard.com. Here, this is their email ID. They have given their email ID. Otherwise, you can directly call their number. They have given their number, address, everything they have given. Okay. So you need to just apply to this. Okay. So this was the fourth job opportunity for you guys. Now the fifth one, the last one comes from here. The fifth one is also from the LinkedIn only. In LinkedIn there is one person called Rishabh Verma. Okay, he is mainly a senior software engineer at his one of the company. He is mainly hiring for the talented DevOps engineer. Okay, so if you are a DevOps engineer who want to start your career, or if you have at least 6 months, 3 months of internship experience, not a problem. You can apply here. Immediate availability is a plus. See here, immediate joiners are highly preferred, and reach out to discuss the fantastic opportunity. Here clearly mentioned location is Delhi, guys. Okay, experience is 1 to 2 years of experience. Okay, so if you are from the northern states of India and moreover you want to join immediately to the DevOps engineering position, you can apply for this. You just need to send your connection and you need to message him. So he is going to review your profile and everything, and he's going to get you a job offer. Okay, so these are the job opportunities which I wanted to show you guys. And if you're looking for any other job opportunities in my channel, please mention in the comment section. I will be happy to bring the all other job opportunities for you guys. Okay,